let's review the previous lesson. Let's go. What's this? Again. What's this? Board. What's this?
Pencil.
Good job. What color is it?
Red.
Good job. What's this?
Chair.
Chair. Good job. What's this?
Table.
Table. That's interesting. Give me a high five. One more. Come on, let's go. Again. Come on, let's go. Ow! One more. Good job.
Good job.
All right. Today we have new words. New words. Only 3. Only 3. Easy. Easy game. Let's go. Picture. What's this?
A picture.
Picture. What's this?
Picture.
Good job. Bin. What's this? Bin. What's this?
Bag.
Bin. What's this?
Bag.
Bin. Okay. Window. What's this?
Window.
Window. What's this?
Red.
Window.
Red. Window.
Window. Let's go. What's this?
Window.
Window. What's this?
Window.
Picture.
Window.
Bin.
Window.
What's this?
Window.
Don't say window. Let's go. Window. Window.
Window.
Good job. What's this?
Picture.
Good job. What's this? Bin.
Bag.
Give me a high five. Ooh. Now let's do it again. Faster. 1, 2, 3.
Window.
What's this?
Bird. Picture.
Good job. Bin. Bin.
Green.
Good job. We're going to review it, and after that, we play a short game. Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! Let's go.
Window.
Good job.
Picture.
What's this?
Bag.
Oh my God! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Again, what's this?
Window.
Good job. What's this?
Picture.
Good job. What's this? Bin. Good job. Are you ready for my game? Give me a high five if you like my game. Ow! Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Table. Oh, no, wait. Table. Where's the table? Good job. Let's go. Board. Good job. Pencil. Yay! That's great. Window. Yay! Bin. Good job. Picture. Where's the picture? Yay! Chair. Chair. Yay! Give me a high five, boy. Now let's go very fast. Table. Oh, you got me. Now let's go. Ready? Pencil. Oh, why you're so fast, boy? Now let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Chair. Where's the chair? Oh, why? You're so fast, my boy. Give me a high five, man. Okay, one more time. Oh, one more. Oh, again. Oh, yeah. Come on, high five.
You will.
Good job. Now let's go. Picture. Oh my God. Board. Oh, sorry, boy. Let's go. Bin. Bin, 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 bin. Where's the bin? Where's the bin? Thank you. Did you forget it? Okay. Now let's see who is the fastest. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Table. Take the table. Take it. Table. Where's the table? Here. See now? Table. Table. Thank you. Keep it for AJ. Good job. Take it for you. 1. Let's go. Are you ready? You have 1 already. Let's go. Let me keep it for you. Window. Where's the window? Good job. You have it again. That's good. So you have 2, okay? Table and window. Good job. Now let's go. Are you ready? Pencil. Where's the pen? Oh man, that's pencil. Good. What color is it?
Red.
Good job. Now let's move. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Picture. Where's the picture? Oh. Yeah, that's picture. What's this?
Picture.
Good job. Now let's go. Ready? Bin. Where's the bin? Bin. Bin. AJ, bin. Where's the bin? Thank you. Yes, that's the bin. What's this?
Bed.
Good job. Board. Oh. Board. Board. Good job. Where's the chair? Give me the chair. That's easy. Chair. Chair. That's interesting. Thank you so much. Hey, everybody. This was our lesson on classroom. Catch us again on the next lesson on AJ's channel. See you. High five and say bye-bye. Good job.